Hey guys, how do we keep it dirty off-road? And on today's video, we're going to address one of the biggest drawbacks of the Gen 1, and that's skid plates. Now, this is our current skid plates. The Gen 1 only has two. It has an engine skid plate, and it has a transfer case skid plate. That is it. The gap between the engine and the transmission is completely left vulnerable. So in this video, we're guys going to show you one of the best options that I have found, and it's also one of the most cost-effective options. This solution is great. It comes from Offroad Republic. It's a company we trust. It's a guy we know, and I highly recommend it. Now, let's go over a couple of features of this thing. First of all, let's look at how thick this thing is. This is easily 1/4 inch thick. Very, very thick material. It's vented. I always hate seeing these skid plates and seeing them completely plates with nothing to vent them. Out here we get a lot of mud, we get a lot of dust and all that stuff, and it's great to see it all vented so we can rinse all that off and it comes off real easy. The front skid plate's really interesting to me though too, because look at this. Look at that little bend. It's designed to wrap around that front crossbar and add a little bit more protection there, which almost no other skid plate that I've seen does that.
All right, so this is a factory Ford bolt. Slides in right there, and then this is your third.
And that's it, right? That's all the bolts you need to install that. You reuse the rest of them.
And you reuse those two there and the two back there.
And then the engine skid plate takes care of the other side, right?
Yep. And the nice thing about the way that's designed, I'll show you. So like if you have to do an oil change, you just remove the three rear bolts. That side's slotted. So,
oh shit!
So you remove the three bolts and you just loosen the bolts and pull it out. You don't take these two front bolts all the way out. Just take them out enough to slide.
Makes it easier to install too.
Yeah.
And I like the vents too because so much shit gets caked up on this, and it makes it easier for it to flow out.
Yeah, it gets out.
Dude, this is thick, man.
Yeah, it's nice, man.
These are all aluminum, so they're super lightweight. This right here is the stock skid plates. You guys can see. These are all steel skid plates. They're not as thick, but they're durable, right? I think the stock skid plates are pretty good on this, on the Gen 1. The only problem is there's none in the middle. We're going to go get ours stripped because ours is completely rusted out. We're going to get these powder coated. Well, I'm going to get this one powder coated. That one, we're going to get it clean just for the fact that we need to get it clean, but we're going to install these. So in this video, we're going to install both of them. And yeah, and we got a special surprise for you guys on the color. So if you guys install this, you can install these raw just fine. You don't have to get them powder coated like we did. We wanted to get a little bit of extra color on the truck, so we took them to our local powder coater to let Ethan have his way. All right, those are our choices. What color should we do, Ethan? Should we do that one down there? You're so ridiculous. What about the candy one?
That's good. No, this is lime green. That's
yeah, but this has a little bit of dark tint to it.
This is candy lime green. This is lime green. We gotta do this one.
That's too bright, though, isn't it?
You're the one who said I get to pick out the color, so that's your fault.
I don't even know if this is an actual color. All right. Are you sure?
I am positive.
That's a little bright.
You're the one who said I can pick it out.
Fuck. Fuck, I don't know why I let Ethan pick the color. The color that I wanted to go with was a two-stage candy color, and it was just twice the cost, you know, because they had to lay it on twice. So we couldn't go with my color. We ended up going with Ethan's color, and Ethan got lucky because apparently he's not the only one that likes that color. Apparently there was another guy that put in his order to do a ton of parts in that color. So he got really lucky and we got it back in a few days. Normally when you do powder coat, if it's not black, you're going to have to wait a couple of weeks. They have to order the color. Once the color comes in, then they can put you on your schedule. So it takes weeks. We got lucky this time, and Ethan's taste apparently is somebody else's taste in SoCal, and we got it back in a few days. All right, Ethan, go get him.
Go get what?
You know what?
Whoa.
Go help him.
I'm only here so I can go Amazon shopping later.
Shut up.
Wow. Are you seriously going to put that on the truck? They go underneath the truck, right?
Yeah.
It's
a shame that they go underneath the truck, but they go underneath the truck.
Oh my god, that's
Wrong one, Christian. We don't need the black one.
that's like so loud.
You don't like it?
Green. Is that the color you were going for?
Ethan picked the color.
Of course you
My
did.
master plan is coming together. Next is the truck.
No.
I'm not putting 22s on the truck.
You don't need 22s, you just need it lime green.
That's,
You're such a dick.
what the fuck?
I
What
start
just
unwrapping
imagine.
them. Start unwrapping. Yeah, that one first.
How?
Don't stack them on top of each other.
Just imagine this with that. Look at that.
You know, I always,
Look at that. That's a beautiful color, isn't it?
I often,
All the hoes would love me.
Did you just say all the hoes?
you know, I often wonder, does he see the same color we see when we look at that? Because he is colorblind.
Be careful! Don't scratch him. I know that I know they're skid plates, and I know they're gonna torn up, but don't scratch them.
I'll be checking with it.
What the hell is this?
It's shrink wrap. You gotta unwrap it.
I don't think he sees lime green the way we see lime green.
What do you think he sees?
I don't know. They thought for the longest time that the blue uniform the Air Force wore was purple.
Yeah. We went to work every day, and he's like, "Why are they wearing purple every day?"
I know.
He loved it. Oh my God, it's getting brighter. It's getting brighter as the wrap comes off.
It's not a problem.
You know, if I clean this truck, they come off.
No, they don't.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna pre-paint them
Gotta go all pink.
pink.
Pink's a manly color.
It's like Christmas, huh, Ethan?
It's a difficult Christmas present to open.
It's getting brighter, honey.
It's not a problem.
It's getting so much brighter.
You pick this color?
I did.
You know what the color's called? Fluorescent green.
It looks it.
Hey, it was cheaper than what you wanted.
Oh yeah, what I wanted was like this really cool deep candy green, but it's a two-stage color, and it would have cost double. It's
So
good.
what was the best option?
You should on the side of it, since you're gonna have lime green everywhere. Unfortunately, you should do like a dinosaur.
A raptor.
Yeah, a velociraptor. Just put it. That'd be cool.
Help
and
you,
then
brother,
I
with the
would
last one.
never get
This
in the car
represents my
with
grin.
you ever again.
That's Ethan's grin.
It's fucking bright, bud.
I'm so disappointed.
It's so fucking bright.
It's not that bright.
Oh my God, it's bright.
It's not that bright.
You're colorblind.
I'm not
You're
colorblind.
probably seeing gray,
I'm not seeing gray.
like a very bright gray.
Next is the train.
I'm glad it's going underneath. That's all I gotta say. I'm glad it's going underneath.
The next is the train.
It's gonna look good. I mean, no matter where we go, it's gonna light up the way. It's gonna be so bright.
I know, right?
Yeah, do you think Ken will notice it?
Everybody's gonna notice this.
It's
No, that's gonna post it on his YouTube
ugly.
channel, and when they finally see him, they're gonna be like,
Where are they? Yeah, everybody's gonna be looking under her cage like, hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
Buy me dinner first.
Yeah.
Please.
All right, let's get them mounted.
I mean, like,
Ah.
fuck.
Okay, let's get
If
them.
they're gonna look underneath, they gotta at least buy you dinner, flowers,
Right?
chocolates.
Dad. Hey, Dad.
At least a quart of oil.
There you go.
Dad.
Or a sticker.
I got another idea. Why don't we do the bolts in lime green?
Yeah, that's,
No.
I had an idea of doing these in gray and then doing the bolts in green. I think that would look cool. It wouldn't be obnoxious. You happy?
"Okay."
Are you happy?
No, we gotta do the frame next.
No.
We're not doing the whole color, and we're not doing 22s.
Oh, he'll find it. You'll find it lime green.
Now, we did have to strip our hardware because none of the local shops had the hardware we need. We checked all of our hardware stores, parts stores. Nobody had the hardware we needed in the lengths we needed, so we had to refurbish our old hardware and wait for the new stuff to come in. And we got an idea for that later that we're going to show you guys to kind of improve that using countersunk washers that we'll show you later. Front bolts are the ones that matter, bud. You got it?
Look at you.
Oh my god, look at you.
One part of my plan accomplished.
Okay, just get it snug. I got it. Let's go ahead and let's do the next one.
Oh, the far back one?
Yeah, I think we're gonna put it in on top of this. I think it's better if we do it on top. That way we have the proper progression.
What?
So let's go to the back. Not this one. All right, Ethan, get them started. Get the two bolts started through the skid. Right here? Yeah. Okay, I think you're good. You got it?
Yeah.
All right.
She looks good with lime green on it.
Oh, I know what we're doing. We're doing it like this?
No. In between. In between. Oh, she's looking so good.
Get yours.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Let go. Oh, fucking A.
You gotta admit, she kind of looks good.
She does look good. Okay. All right. Let's get the rear one in.
You want me to be under there to help?
No. So this one,
Is going
I think it should be
it should
over.
go. Yeah, it should go over.
Ideally, we want it the other way, but all right, let's get your bolts in first, and then I'll get mine. Push in, push in. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's get the impact going. And let's start from the back and go forward. Christian, pass me the impact.
Ow.
Let's get these other ones then. You do your side, I do my side. Or you do all sides. Ow! Did you just scratch up my skid plates? You just scratch them. No, you better not have.
I have not.
Not yet.
And my pride and joy of the truck.
All right, let's see what this looks like from outside. You guys can see she's got a glow now. It's definitely glowing. Ethan seems to be glowing.
It's not a glow, it's a sparkle.
Ethan's glowing too. And it looks good, and it's subtle. It's subtle. Look at that. You just kind of peek in, you see the green, and then you notice it's reinforced by more green in the back. And oh my God, it looks good. It looks so good. It's a nice little subtle touch. I thought it was going to be super loud, but it's not. It is perfect.
Yep.
Perfect.
Lime green goes with everything.
Oh, that looks so good. Now, we're really happy with the way these things came out. We're not going to powder coat the skid plate up front. We're going to leave that black because we don't plan on keeping that bumper. We're actually going to get rid of that bumper and sell it, and we wanted to keep it in a color that somebody would buy it in. Nobody's going to buy a bumper with a green skid plate, unless you're Ethan. Get that smug look off your face. Come on.
One more thing, the slime green on the truck.
Pretty loud. Okay, put it on there. It's not the same green. It's not bright enough.
I know, it's that green. It's that green, not this green. How dare you? You got the wrong color. We gotta redo it.
Now, we have already tested these skids, and they're actually really strong. If you guys look, I have a nice little dent right there from a boulder that we hit on the trails. That boulder put a pretty big dent on our skid plate, and it ended up just scratching the skids underneath. They didn't bend, they didn't do nothing, so it showed you they're super strong. Now, if you guys want to get a set, make sure you get a hold of our friend Eric with Offroad Republic through Instagram. Eric is a good friend of ours. He's just starting out, so he doesn't have a website or anything like that, but this guy has a ton of experience. He knows his stuff, and a lot of that knowledge went into the design of that skid. So we really want to support him. We actually paid for ours because we believe in this product, and it's also why we recommended it. You could tell that he works on his truck, and he designed these skid plates to take that into account to make it easier for him to work on his truck. So to get a set, just shoot him a direct message on Instagram. Again, guys, he's just starting out. He doesn't have a website, so just send him a direct message on Instagram. You're looking at $300 for the engine skid plate and $340 for the transmission skid plate. So altogether, you're looking at $640, which when you compare that with how much other big shops, these are a steal considering what you get and how thick that material is. He's also working on Gen 2 skids, so for you Gen 2 guys, don't feel left out. He's working on it. He should have those out soon. Make sure you guys put your orders in soon though, because aluminum prices keep going up and up, and he keeps running out of stock. Get in there, order them before the prices go up. You won't regret it. These things are solid, very well designed. I love them, and we've already tested them out, and they're taking some reviews. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Put any questions or comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and keep those trucks nice.
Lime green! Keep them lime green! Lime green!
Okay.